How to use your BeReal account or your BeReal application. Hola everyone, welcome in our channel. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So let's gonna start. First, you need to download BeReal from Play Store or App Store. You have to create an account. When you create an account, it will show you this page or this screen. So what's the concept here? You have to make every day like a selfie of you. You have to take your be real. That's the concept. And here you will find your friends be real. For me, I don't have any friends who use this application. That's why I can't see nothing, just a dark screen. Also here, friends of friends. Also, I will come here and here I will invite my friends and I can sync my contacts. Also, I can find my suggestion and requests. And also here I can find send request. For example, I sent to this person a request. So let's move to the another part of the application, the settings. I will come here. Here, for example, this is my BeReal for yesterday. Here I can find my memories, here I can share my account, here I can pin my post or my BeReal. If you have something, just click on it and click pin. It will show you here. And here when you click, you can change your profile picture, your full name, your location, you go by your username. And now, come here on this three line and it will find your memory. If you wanna link your Spotify with BeReal, here you will find your notifications settings and your privacy settings, time zone, and others things. And also here in others you can find if you wanna delete your account. So that's it. You can share also. And the last things, guys, is how to log out. Here you can log out from your account in BeReal. So that's it in this video, guys. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.